welcome back to my channel. Today is Thursday. I just got ready. Well, I didn't just get ready. I'm going mini golf.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away.
So we just finished golfing and now we're gonna go get something to eat. I'm actually so hungry. It's kind of cold. So where are we gonna go? Hey y'all, it's a new day. So today's Friday. Yesterday I just went mini golf. I think you guys would have already seen that. Today we are off to the mall to do some grocery shopping because I have nothing in my fridge. And I'm going back to work on Monday and I don't want to have to stress about like food and things like that. So I'm just gonna knock that out the park today. I also need to get new bedding because the guy who does my laundry lost my sheets. He also lost a few other things like my sweatpants, and it's such a long story, but we're not going to talk about that. And I've got groceries that I need to get as well. I've already made the list on my phone. I'm going to go to Checkers, Woolies, Mr. Price, probably pop in like a whole bunch of different stores because it's currently load shedding and I might as well just like enjoy my time out. I'm really hungry. I've got nothing to eat, so we're probably gonna get breakfast as well. And yeah, so I've got my, I call this my errands bag. Got my errands bag on deck. Outfit is very simple. It's not even an outfit, it's just a hoodie, some jeans, and this flannel that I actually got in a market in Bloom. So yeah, you guys, let's get going. And also my lashes look atrocious. My nails also definitely not giving elegant lady. We need to get that together, so we'll probably also do that in the vlog, just not today. And yeah, if you guys are excited to see that, then stick around.
You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be.
Let me subscribe, ne?
Oh, thank you.
There you go. I'm gonna watch when I get home, ne?
Oh,
Okay.
Do you want to say hi?
Hi guys, how is
Blurry. There you go.
Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to Precious Case YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button. Bye.
Thank you. You're so sweet. Oh, she's so sweet. Wow. So nice of her. Okay, let me finish the sandwich and get out of here. The cost of living is so high, guys. No way.
Personal, we just building. It's my season, lay foundation. Make a name for generations, please, and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. You always.
Hey guys, I think I'm gonna get this one. Should be fine.
Chasing blues away. You always always posting a picture, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working. Soaking the moments you live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't ask me, 'cause baby, I'm a hiatus. I'm a hiatus. I'm a hiatus. I'm a hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me.
And it's load shedding, so I got up this morning around 6. I got some work done until like 8 o'clock, and I did my devotions. I probably would have inserted all of that footage anyway, but today's Monday and I'm about to do a workout. I am really trying to like incorporate exercise into my life in some capacity, whether that's like taking walks or just doing like a quick 20-minute workout, which I'm about to do now. I have the workout pulled up on my computer. I will also see if I can leave a link to the workout that I've been doing. If you're like me and you're not like super into exercising, but you do want to like sort of keep fit, then girl, I got you, because we are in the same boat. Okay, so I'm just gonna quickly pull up I have my mat. I have a mat and everything, you guys, so I'm gonna quickly set up, do this workout. I actually want to get a new mat, because what is this mat even? It's actually kind of ugly.
Be and live my life off screen, taking time out to be and live my life.
I just finished with my workouts. I think I would have probably included some clips of me doing some of the exercises, but I was trying to focus on actually doing the exercises and not really filming. So yeah, I think I probably would have included some of the exercises. So I just finished with it. It was actually really good. I'm so glad that I found her exercises are so like straightforward, and I just love it. So I will link it down below if anybody cares to try. So now I'm just gonna pack away the dishes that I have by my sink, and then I'll probably take a shower in like an hour or so, and then I'm also going to make some breakfast, and then I'm gonna get to work. Nothing really exciting happening today, so yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. Let's get into packing these dishes away. I'm gonna head into the shower, and then it's Thursday. I haven't vlogged all week just because there hasn't been anything exciting to vlog, and I've pretty much been doing the same exact thing every single day, except yesterday I did go to Sheet Street to get like a cute little side table, which I think I'll show you guys maybe tonight or tomorrow. Yeah, I think I'll show you guys tomorrow, but it's Thursday. I didn't just finish working. I finished working around 4:30 and I just got ready because I'm going to dinner with a friend. I'm going to dinner with Tapiwa. I think you guys must have met her before on my channel. She is visiting again and we just decided to go for a little, you know, dinner. It is currently 17:21 and we're supposed to meet for dinner at 6, and I'm just not sure what to wear. So I've currently got this tank top on with these blue jeans. I'll try to show you guys, but I think I want to wear this brown blazer that I've had for like a while and I haven't worn it. Only problem is that it's kind of cold and I just don't know if I'm gonna get cold or not. We're probably gonna sit inside, but I don't know what difference that makes. I'm gonna wear heels. That's dramatic. And I do have these heels that I'm gonna wear as well, which I should probably put on right now because we're supposed to meet at 6 and it's about 5:30 now. So that is my cute little outfit. I hope you guys can't really see, but yeah, something very simple. I hope I'm not gonna get cold or anything like that, but yeah, I want to text my friend, but she said she's got load shedding right now, so she's probably not gonna answer me. But one thing about her, she'll be late, so I'm just gonna chill a little bit. I don't know if this thing is focused, you guys. I don't know, maybe because it's nighttime, it's just trying to adjust. But yeah, I'm gonna take you guys to dinner with me. You want to take a picture? Okay guys, so I made it to dinner. I've been here for a very long time actually. I'm with Tapiwa. Say hi girl. Hi. She's back in the country, you guys. Hi guys. So we're just having wine and we're gonna cheers, babe. We're
having wine and gossiping.
Yeah, we're catching up, having a good old
I like
time.
how you like catching up.
And what Tapiwa's getting desserts because she's not hungry. She's always not hungry.
No, but when I changed my order and I decided to get fries and bacon.
Oh, okay. She's getting fries and bacon because that's what she's craving. And then I'm gonna have fish. It is fish, right? Did I have fish last time?
I think so.
No, I had meat last time. I had meat.
And the time before that?
Where did we go the time before?
We go to Tulsa.
My Cape Town vlog just went live on my channel, and yeah, I always get really nervous when I post videos, but it's okay, it's up now. I'm not gonna remove it. So yeah, I'm gonna actually order me some Nando's. Yeah, I wanna get Nando's, and I'm just gonna chill, watch Love Island for the rest of the evening. Hi everyone, today's Saturday. I just got ready because I have a birthday lunch that I need to go to. I just got ready. Honestly, this outfit was not even well thought out. I don't know if y'all can see. I'm just wearing this one shoulder top with this blue blazer, same jeans from Thursday, and this bag and some heels. It's a surprise lunch, so I don't want to be late, so we're just gonna head out. everyone. So I don't know why I have to do this every single time, but you guys, it's Sunday. It's very late in the evening. Earlier I think I would have showed you guys me just cleaning up. I had church this morning, so I watched church this morning, and then I just cleaned up. I've really just been relaxing all day because I just feel like I haven't had time for myself, and the introvert in me was like, girl, rest. This is gonna be the last day of this vlog. I just want to go take a walk. It's about 5 o'clock now. The sun is like setting sort of, so I just want to go take a walk, come back. I'm also not gonna cook today because y'all, I tried to order Nando's on Friday and my order got cancelled, so I just feel like I deserve the Nando's that I didn't get on Friday. Yeah, it's been a bit of a busy weekend for me. I don't think you guys would have seen that because I didn't really like fully vlog, but yeah, I just needed today to just, you know. So let's go take this walk.